If you're looking to pay contractors efficiently, Deel is the go-to platform for streamlining your international and remote contractor payments. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about paying contractors in Deel, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it like a pro. Stick around, because I'll also share a way for you to get access to Deel for free through an exclusive offer you don't want to miss. Deel is an incredible software that simplifies contractor management, payroll, and compliance for businesses of all sizes. First off, let's talk about how Deel makes paying contractors easy. Once you've set up your account, the process of paying contractors is straightforward. You'll start by adding your contractors to the platform. You can do this manually, or if you have multiple contractors, import them in bulk using Deel's CSV template. Once your contractors are in the system, it's time to set up their payments. Deel supports various payment methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, and even cryptocurrency, making it super flexible for you and your contractors. When you create a payment, Deel automatically calculates the contractor's pay based on their hourly rate or fixed rate, whichever applies to their agreement. It's all automated, saving you time and reducing human error. But the best part about Deel is its built-in compliance features. Deel makes sure that you're compliant with local tax laws and regulations in over 150 countries, which is a huge relief when paying contractors internationally. For example, if your contractor is based in another country, Deel ensures that the correct tax withholding is applied, so you don't have to worry about getting caught up in tax issues down the line. Another key feature is that Deel can handle multiple currencies. Whether you're paying in USD, EUR, or any other major currency, Deel will convert payments based on real-time exchange rates. This is a huge advantage for businesses working with global contractors, as you won't need to worry about manual conversion and the associated fees. The platform also lets you set up recurring payments for contractors on a weekly or monthly basis, which is perfect if you have long-term working relationships. You can set everything up in advance, and Deel will handle the rest, ensuring contractors are paid on time, every time. One more thing, Deel makes it easy to track invoices and payments. You'll get a detailed view of all your transactions, so you can easily see when a payment was made, how much was paid, and to whom. This helps you stay organized and avoid any mistakes or missed payments. If you're just starting with Deel, it's a good idea to also check out the onboarding process for contractors. Deel offers a seamless onboarding experience where contractors can upload their documents, like proof of identity and tax forms, and fill out their payment preferences. This ensures that you're fully prepared to pay them when the time comes. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that Deel has a lot of other features that can help streamline your entire contractor management process, from contracts to invoicing and payments. But if you're just focused on getting started with paying contractors, Deel's easy-to-use interface and automation tools make it incredibly efficient. To get started with Deel and take advantage of our exclusive bonuses, make sure to check the link in the description. You'll get access to Deel completely free for a limited time, which means you can test out all the features without any commitment. So, to quickly recap, adding contractors, setting up payments, ensuring compliance, handling multiple currencies, and tracking invoices are just some of the ways Deel simplifies contractor payments. And remember, the link below gives you access to Deel for free, so you can start making contractor payments seamlessly today. Don't forget to check out the first link for an exclusive extended trial. Thanks for watching, and happy paying.